No, I am little bit surprised and shocked. And it pains me also that the Prime Minister had to speak to the US President and tell him about all these statements emanating from a neighboring country which has a military controlled Prime Minister. Why did the Prime Minister call Trump and tell him? By calling the US President Trump, the Prime Minister has given credence to the lies that were perpetrated by the US President when he said that Modi told me to please solve the Kashmir issue. By calling him, the Prime Minister has given credence to all the lies that were being perpetrated by the US President. And secondly, it has been a consistent stand of our country that this is a bilateral issue. We will not allow a third party to interfere. The Prime Minister has even overridden that consistent policy. So, you say something in your radio address, you say something in the parliament through your home minister, and now the Prime Minister picks up a phone and speaks to the US President. I'm really surprised. There was no need because, I'm a political opponent of Mr. Modi and his party and I'll remain so. But he's the Prime Minister of the country and the Prime Minister of mine also. I'm really surprised. Why did the Prime Minister have to speak to US President? By doing that, he has given credence to what Trump has been narrating, that Modi told me to solve Kashmir issue. And Trump, in turn, had called that neighboring country military-controlled Prime Minister and said, please, cut down on your rhetoric. What does that say?
It's a favor of India, no, sir.
How is it favor of India? The Prime Minister claims, and I accept also, that we did a surgical strike, we did a Balakot. Then did we speak to Trump? Did we tell Trump that we are going to do surgical strike, we are going to reply to what happened in Pulwama? I am really surprised and shocked that the Prime Minister had to do this, had to pick up a phone and to complain to US President. Who is US President? Is he the policeman of the world? Is he the Chaudhry of this world? And I feel an independent, strong country like India, why should we go and complain and grudge to US President? And especially on this issue, it is really surprising and I'm a little bit saddened also.